Look how big it is! Look how big it is! Look how big he is! Look how big he is!
Okay, stop
Oh my
it.
God! Shut up! Let me be excited. Let me be excited. Okay? Let me be excited. I don't want to lose him. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Mom, listen.
I haven't even finished my. Oh! Did I lose him? No! He's still on there. Oh! He's so big! Oh my God!
Mom,
Shut up! I can't help
not
it.
that big. Just be quiet.
It's big for me! Oh, look at he's giving me so much fun. Look at this! Oh my God! Oh my God! Here you come. Come on, baby. Oh, look at he's going away again. He's making this really fun. This is my very first pole. I got my pole yesterday. I got this pole yesterday. Look at it. Look at him. Get him. Get him.
Hear that noise?
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh, yes.
Go, Patsy.
Oh my God.
Mom.
Shit. Ryan, I can't help it, buddy. I can't help it.
I can't
I'm so
believe how you
freaking
can do that loud.
excited. I can't believe this is the biggest fish I caught ever caught. This biggest fish I ever caught. I just got the pole yesterday. Oh, come on, baby. Okay, what do I do? Oh, he's giving up. Oh, God.
No, he's
Oh,
fine.
my God.
He really is.
Oh, my.
Under there. He's big. Hold on tight, because he might try to flap. There's in there, but.
Probably your middle finger.